I guess we're getting ready to come out with some vicious spiders. Other chocolatey spiders. They're gonna be vicious spiders. And
Holy crap. Yo, somebody growing pumpkins. Awesome. Hope they're giving them enough water. Oh, good luck. Hope those pumpkins grow to be giants. There you go.
I think we got cold puppies. We probably don't, because of all the heat. No, I don't see any cold puppies. Oh, yeah, we got one. We got, oh, there it is! There it is! There it is! Cold puppy! Wow! Wow! They're being cold! Uh-oh! I came around the other side! I think a cold puppy came around the other side! There it is! Yeah, a cold puppy and he's barking at me. It's being cold. Cold. I think we got cold puppies over here. They're cold little vicious spiders. They're all three barking at me. All three of them are cold little puppies.
Those are chihuahuas, and chihuahuas happen to be vicious spiders.
Very cold.
When did this decide to happen? I had no idea it was actually. I had no idea it was supposed to rain tonight. Wow. Alrighty, hang on. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little storm video. In this case, rain video, we'll call it. Man, that was freaking brutal. Woo-hoo-hoo. Man, it actually got brutal at one point. It got a little windy. Man, telling you what, yo. Freaking awesome. Alright. See you in my next video. Peace.
Wow.